Sorry, we're going ahead at this roundabout, aren't we?
Ahead.
Yeah. And then turning right at the second roundabout. That's lovely. Then we're turning right at the second roundabout. Signal again if it cancels. Good. Okay, what we should have done there was signal left to exit the roundabout.
Okay.
That's why I waved at that lady, because she thought you were doing a U-turn and you were going back around the roundabout. So once you count your exits and you get more confident counting your exits, the exit before yours, you must signal left to exit. Okay? We're now approaching the same roundabout again, and we're now following the signs for city centre. At the first roundabout, signal control roundabout, it's left. We're then going to follow the signs for city centre, go back the way we've come. So we'll follow the signs for Holton and cross gates, then follow the signs for city centre. So look at the roundabout sign, make sure you're in the correct lane, and now signal and increase your speed. Your lights are green. That's fine. So we need to keep our speed reasonable here. We need to make sure the speed that we're travelling at is appropriate for where we are. If we're continuously driving too slow, you'll find changing lanes, approaching junctions very different to what we say.
Okay. Turning left here, right?
Yeah, we're turning left, yeah, that's right. So when our lights go green, the cars on the right, they'll stop moving to let us come onto the roundabout, because it's a signal control roundabout. Signal control essentially means by traffic lights. Keep on the left. And if you have an option of 2 lanes, remain in the lane on the left. Soon we'll be approaching another roundabout. At the roundabout we are going ahead, second exit.
Ahead, second exit.
You are correct what you're doing, you are correct. You are correct. You are correct. So keep in the left lane and then go ahead. You are correct. Yep. Keep in lane 1. Lane 1. Go around. Second exit is where that 30 sign is. You're getting too close to the divide line again, okay? Remember what we agreed. Keep it away from your door, and that way you'll always remain in your lane. Cancel your signal. Now just going to give you a little bit of reasoning there, okay? When we approached the roundabout, there were 2 options, left and right. Okay? But we've already come up the road, so we know that ahead is there. Now, the safest bet for ahead was the left lane. Why? Because the ahead wasn't listed on the floor. So logically, conventionally, to go ahead at a roundabout, what lane would you normally be in?
Same lane.
Yeah, the left lane. And you're minimizing your risk by keeping in the left lane as well. So yeah, the way you manage that, the way you navigate that roundabout, perfectly fine. Continue following the road ahead.